Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you might have already heard, PUBG Mobile and PUBG Mobile Lite have been banned in India. These both games are not available in Play Store anymore. You cannot see them in Play Store, and even if you have them in your phone, the game is not opening, it's not working at all. I have made a list of games you can play if PUBG ever gets banned. I already made that video. I'm gonna link it over here so you can watch it. This ban has happened yesterday. Indian government had banned 118 apps, and PUBG Mobile and PUBG Mobile Lite have been in this list. But this doesn't mean that you can completely stop playing PUBG. There are ways you can play PUBG even now. So in this video, I'm gonna be letting you know how to play PUBG again. And if you're new on this channel, please make sure you subscribe. I make tech videos every single day. Before we get into the video, let's make a target of hitting 10 likes on this video, and let's get right into the video. Recently, there were 118 apps that were banned in India, and PUBG Mobile and PUBG Mobile Lite have been included in this ban. But this doesn't mean that you have to stop playing PUBG completely. Even though PUBG Mobile and PUBG Mobile Lite have been banned in India, you can play PUBG either on your PC or Xbox or PS4. In fact, the PUBG Mobile and the PUBG PC are completely different games. Both of these are developed by two different developers, and if you see, the PUBG PC belongs to Bluehole Studios, which is in Seoul of South Korea. It is not a Chinese organization, while PUBG Mobile has been developed by Tencent Mobiles, which is a Chinese organization. While PUBG Mobile is a free-to-play game, it is available in either Android Play Store or Apple's App Store. And if you want to play PUBG in PC, you have to buy this game from Steam. The storyline and gameplay of the PUBG PC is similar to the PUBG Mobile, but the only thing that is gonna be better comparing to PUBG Mobile is that the experience, the gaming experience and the quality of the game is gonna be way much better compared to PUBG Mobile. Note that you need to have a decent computer to play PUBG PC, and if you have a lower PC version, if you have a slow PC, you can download the PUBG Lite version for PC, and this is free to download. You can play this, but it is not gonna be quite an experience as the PUBG PC normal PUBG is gonna be. PUBG PC costs about ₹999 in Steam, and you can download it through Steam. First, you need to download Steam and then log in or create an ID, and then you can download PUBG PC. This is not gonna the files are gonna be stored in your PC, but the game is gonna be accessible through Steam. Even if you switch your computer or your PC or laptop, you change your laptop, you can download it how many times ever you want. To have a decent experience of PUBG PC in your PC, you need to have a minimum requirements of Intel i5 4430 processor or the AMD FX 6300 processor. You can have a minimum requirement RAM of 8GB RAM. You can have an NVIDIA GTX 960 2GB graphic card or the AMD Radeon R7 370 2GB graphic card. The minimum requirement of OS for this game is a 64-bit Windows 7 with DirectX version of 11, and a minimum storage of 30GB should be free for this game to run smoothly. So I would like to recommend you some of the specifications which would increase the gameplay immersiveness or the gameplay experience a little bit than what the minimum requirements are. So firstly, you need to have a 16GB of RAM as standard for your PC, and then if you once you have the 16GB of RAM, just go for the Intel i5 6600K processor, and you can have NVIDIA GTX 1000 with a 3GB GPU, which is gonna be amazing. Your gameplay is gonna be way much better than the basic requirements. So if you have a basic requirements, that is the 8GB of RAM, you need to play it in the lower settings. But if you have this, you can play it Ultra or Ultra HD as well. So as I've already mentioned, if your PC does not meet all of these minimum requirements also, you can download PUBG PC Lite version, which is free to play, and you can actually get an experience of how the game feels. The only difference between PUBG PC and the PUBG PC Lite is that PUBG PC Lite is going to be a little bit cutting on the graphics. You're not going to be seeing graphics very fast. So as in the PUBG PC, you're going to be seeing grass, but in this you're not going to be seeing grass. Some of the things are going to be missing, but still it is going to be a good experience, not the worst experience I'm going to be telling you as the PUBG Mobile Lite was. but it's gonna be a better experience compared to the PUBG Mobile. And as all of you all know, PUBG Mobile has been banned, which means that there is not much likeliness of the PUBG emulators to be available on PC. So even the emulators which were playing the Android PUBG Mobile, they are not going to be working. So PUBG Mobile is not going to be opening in your PC as well. So if you really want to play PUBG on your PC, I would really recommend you to first try the PUBG free play, the PUBG Lite on PC, which will give you an experience of how this is, because a lot of players have not played emulators. They have only played mobile games and only mobile PUBG. But if you switch from mobile to PC, now you're going to be a tad bit backward than you were now in your PUBG Mobile, because if you were a pro in PUBG Mobile, you're not going to be that much pro if you're going to be playing the PUBG PC, because this requires a mouse, a keyboard, which was not it was very easy for us in the PUBG Mobile. So this was all for today's video, and I hope you like this video. If you got to know something new from this video, please make sure you like this video. If you did like this video, leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around there, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. As I've already mentioned, 10 likes is our target, so please like and let me know in the comments how you like this video. Thank you for watching. My name is Gaurav, and I'll see you guys in the next video.